Eliminator Next Gen Test Track Instruction Video 8. In this video, I will demonstrate the Test Track Connect software, which allows you to connect your Eliminator Next Gen Test Track to a computer. Test Track Connect is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10. Test Track Connect is available for download at www.portatree.com. Simply navigate to the tech support page. It is listed for download with the Test Track instructions. Once you download and unzip the file, double-click setup.exe and Test Track Connect will install on your computer. In order to connect your Test Track to a computer, you will also need a Type A to Type B USB cable. They're pretty easy to find. I bought mine from monoprice.com, part number 5437, for about $1. To connect to a computer, turn on the Eliminator Next Gen and navigate to Test Track mode. Once the Test Track race screen is displayed, click Connect in the Test Track Connect software. If the connection is successful, the box in the top left of the program should turn green and say Connected. The two most common reasons for a failed connection are 1. That the Eliminator Next Gen was not in Test Track mode. When that happens, a little error box will pop up that says Error Connecting to Eliminator. Simply navigate to the Test Track race screen and press the Connect button again to get around this error. The second most common reason is that the computer cannot detect the communication port that the Eliminator is connected to. When this happens, open Device Manager. The Eliminator should be listed under Ports, COM, and LPT as a Communication Device class device. Make a note of the port the Eliminator is connected to. In the Test Track Connect software, click Setup and enter this port number into the setup screen. Save the port change and click Connect. When you connect to the Eliminator, the screen will turn white and read Computer Connected, Do Not Disconnect. The computer is now controlling the Eliminator. At any time, you can click Disconnect to return to the Test Track race screen. Upon successfully connecting to the Eliminator, Test Track Connect will update with the Test Track settings information and track configuration. The track layout is displayed in the Connect box and shows all enabled sensors in black and disabled sensors in gray. When connected to a single lane test track, the track layout also indicates the active lane. All settings downloaded from the Eliminator test track appear in the setup box. If you believe the settings were downloaded incorrectly from the Eliminator, you can click the Settings button, which causes the Eliminator to resend all test track settings to the computer. The Diagnostics button opens a Track Diagnostics page where each sensor is represented as a small box. A gray box indicates a disabled sensor, a black box indicates an aligned sensor, and a red box indicates a misaligned sensor. While the Track Diagnostics page is open, a diagnostic screen will also appear on the Eliminator's display. Test Track statistics files can be transferred to the computer by clicking the Download button. Test Track Connect will not overwrite existing results files, even if they have the same name. Instead, the files will be downloaded with a copy indication appended to the end of the file name. The Delete button removes all Test Track statistics files from the Eliminator. Once the files are deleted, they cannot be recovered, so make sure to download files before deleting. When disconnected from the Eliminator, the Delete button can be used to delete a single race result file from the computer. Simply highlight the unwanted file and click Delete. The Open button is used to view the contents of a statistics file. For dual lane tracks, the winning lane appears in green. The Export button converts the selected race results file to a comma-separated values file that can be viewed in Excel. The final button, Merge, can be used to combine several test track statistics files into a single file. For a merge to be successful, all the files must have been generated with the same track setup. In other words, if mile per hour is enabled in one file but not in another file, the two files cannot be merged. To use the merge feature, click Merge to begin the process. Next, hold Control and click each file that you wish to merge. When all files are selected, click Merge again to finalize the process. All files selected for the merge will be deleted and a new merged file created. Thank you for watching this video on the Test Track Connect software. If you have any additional questions, visit portertree.com, email, or give us a call.